Hello guys, back again in video part 4. Now I will build and assemble the stone in the center. The method is almost the same. Arrange the stones and then install the wood. Please follow the instructions on the video until the next step. If you want to ask, please write your comments in this video. Later, I will combine hardscape on the left and in the middle to be together. I will come back again. Okay guys, I will continue this project in video part 5. Please help support me by subscribing so you don't miss the latest video from me.